want to tell me he knows how to pay the bill with the coins and roll the dice. You're not hearing me right. I forgot my zigzags. I hear you must be out your mind. I'm closing your mouth to what you have to say. Lick the joint. I chose to believe. Everybody wants to meet the man with the gold clasp. Pencil pouch for the student. Pencil saddlebag for the peddling cowboy. Pencil gunny sack for the working man. Drug dealers have books with lists of clientele, and they weren't going to learn that in school. Everybody wants to meet the man with the gold clasp. People stop and look, get caught looking, and are polite and staring. Smile in the face of danger. It's burning, whether it's yours or not. Hell can be where I put you. Go to it, get to it, not like the cartoons. Everybody wants to meet the man with the gold clasp.